any particular website, how to update your XML sitemap and by Google Search Console and Bing and Yahoo search engine purpose. What is the purpose of webmaster using XML sitemap? What are the links to your website? Total crawled by XML sitemap for indexing purpose. Without XML sitemap, we can't index your website on the Google search engine list. So how to update on your Bing and Google Webmaster tool? Another name is called Bing and Google Search Console. First, you copy your website. First of all, check sitemap.xml. My website will be existing for sitemap or not. Copy the URL and enter. Update it with your proper dates. Always remember, they not display your download date. They display by your last modification date. Every website, what are the modification done, they implement on your search engine results. They will do for XML sitemap. Lot of people is the major problem is called what are the update you done your website, not update by XML sitemap. The major effect. What are the changes done by your website? Every week they update by XML sitemap to scroll your website links. So in this, copy the total URL, go to Bing Webmaster, select your site. Where is my site? Check it out. So this will be copy. Here will be sitemap. Already indexed how many URL? 6. We submit today and crawl by done. Next submission. Click for submit. This pending will be finished 1 minute below or 1 hour below. This will be condition to index your URLs. Next one, Google Webmaster. This will be submitted by the total URL. Select your site. Without XML sitemap update, they not use the performance report. Sitemaps is only adding for extension. Copy the extension sitemap.xml. Click for submit. The total check your pages got it. 1 success. How many pages? Total 6 pages. Suppose when I submit time any got error 404, the sitemap is not founding on your particular site. So they don't index your particular pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pages. So how many pages? Total 6 pages. This is a particular website to update your XML sitemap.